Hi everyone, this is Johnny from Square. So you've started your Square account, you have your hardware shipped to you, but now let's get this stuff connected and get the front of the house communicating with the back of the house. Some of these features are going to be happening on your dashboard, so it's good to have your computer around. And so for today, we're going to create our first printer profiles, and we're going to create a device code, which is going to be your login for the Square kitchen display system. So let's get started. In your Square dashboard, if the tools aren't exposed, click on the 3 horizontal lines at the top left. We're going to navigate to Device Management. Inside of here, we'll select Profiles and then Printer Profiles. Why are printer profiles important? Printer profiles are going to be a preset configuration that allows you to easily connect to your back of the house and to route the right items to the right prep station. So I'm going to go ahead and call this station Hot Food. Then we have to give this printer profile a job. For this one, in-person order tickets. We'll toggle this on. As we scroll down, you'll see categories to print. Inside of this screen, I'm going to deselect all of the categories that I do not want printing at this particular station. So I'll take away my drinks, my sauces, beverages, salads, cold entrees, cold appetizers, and then I can click anywhere within the field to get rid of that drag down bar. And then an important part at the bottom, we'll select the location that this is active at. If you do have multiple stores, you can actually duplicate this printer setting to be used in both areas. Then we're going to select Save at the top right. Okay, so next profile we're going to create is one for receipts. So let's go ahead and call this one Receipts. Then, as you guessed, we're going to activate the Receipts toggle. We'll scroll to the bottom and we'll select our location and then Save at the top right. Now let's get our login created for our kitchen display. On the left, select Devices. We're going to select Added Device at the top right. For this particular one, we're going to select Kitchen Display System. You'll have two options, Prep and Expediter. Prep is going to be for the people on the line. They're able to mark items completed, and the Expediter will be able to finalize and bump the ticket out of the window. For today's demonstration, let's just do an Expediter device. For this one, I'm going to call it Expo. Then I'll click Create. And this code will be your login on your kitchen display device. Keep this code handy. Fun fact, you can actually send this to yourself via text if you want to access it later on. Click Done. Now let's go ahead and get everything physically set up. Thanks for watching. If you need any more help, please navigate to square.com/help.